Hello everyone, I am James and you are watching GOODTIME Tech YouTube channel. So today let's unbox an Samsung Galaxy Tab A, that is a 20.37 centimeters tab. So we'll see what all is written on the box itself. So here you can see it's a 2017 model, 20.31 centimeters of screen size, or most probably the whole tab. We'll see later. It's a 16 GB inbuilt memory. It has a 4G Cat.4, and here the brand is written, that is Samsung Galaxy Tab A model and Tab A. Side nothing. So on top there is the sticker, and here about the barcodes, etc. And this side the details about manufacturer, price, etc. And here on the back side we can see that it's a Samsung Galaxy Tab A. It's a WXGA screen. It's not an MOLED. Usually Samsung comes with most of the units are AMOLED, but this one is not AMOLED. It's a TFT LCD. It comes with resolution of 1280 by 800 and a processor of 1.4 GHz quad core processor. The radio frequencies of 4G Cat4, Full HD. It can playback Full HD videos, that is 1080p, and you can even record Full HD videos. It has a 8 megapixel AF autofocus camera with flash plus 5 megapixel of front camera. GPS is enabled, GLONASS, and it comes with a 5000 milliamps of battery. RAM is of 2 GB RAM. So here some instructions are written like available memory capacity is subject to preloaded softwares, that is already they have installed some softwares, due to which your inbuilt memory will decrease for your own usage. And enjoy the best kids apps in Samsung Kids mode. Enjoying the best Lego apps from Kids mode. Lego and the Lego logo are trademarks of the Lego Group 2017, the Lego Group. That is some copyright or registration something has done. For more information on your device, just visit samsung.com. Here we can see all the 4 logos, that is Android, Lego, and 2 others. I do not know much about them. So we will unbox it and open the tab and check. Actually, as it has been purchased from Reliance Digital, so we just, after making the purchase, we checked for the contents inside and got it back. So here we go. Here it comes. This is the tab. Here you can see it comes with enabled with we can even make calls using this tab. We have a speaker here, front camera, the home button,
aluminum body,
and back button. As we can see, this is of plastic, I think, and surrounding is aluminum. We can feel it. On the side here, volume rocker and power button. On top we can see it's a 3.5 mm socket. It's not jack, as many of the unboxing engineers or people, they just go on telling it as a 3.5 mm jack, 3.5 mm. The pin which comes with the headphone is known as jack, and this is the socket which provides the facilitating for inserting the jack. And beside that one we can see it's a noise cancellation mic, and this side we can see tray for SIM card, inserting a SIM card, and below here we can see speaker grill, a main mic, and it comes with a C-type charging socket. Actually this port we can see it is a C-type, and this is not just the charging port, it is a multi-purpose port, which means that we can connect a USB cable to this one and we can communicate it with a Mac PC or any other OSs, other computer systems, whether to operate the software or copy the files from the tab to your system, etc, etc. It comes with a diagonally 8-inch screen, and SIM card is only single SIM, and this tray provides single SIM as well as microSD. That is, the two microSD is supported up to 256 GB, and network which can be used is 4G Vivo LTE, voice over LTE.
Front camera.
These are the manual. Manual is in Hindi as well as English. Quick start guide. Once we go through it, it's better. And USB Type-C cable is supplied with this one. Okay, here you can see this is the USB cable. It's a Type-C, as you can see. It's a Type-C, and normally which smartphones use is Type-D. Just here, nothing else. So
Charger.
box is good. Here we am searching for a charger. Just a moment. Okay, here you can see the charger. The charger is of 5 volts and 2 amperes. It's not a fast charger. It's a quite normal charger, not fast. As you can see, fast charger comes with a 9 volts and a battery of 5000 milliamps. It does need a fast charger. Oh,
Camera is.
and here you can see this camera, 8 megapixel camera, and a flash for that one. Okay,
Front camera is 5 megapixel.
I found that already. Hope this video was useful for you and was quite informative.
Switch on.
If this video was informative, and I would like to say that here we have provided a pin for opening and the removing the SIM tray. Nice one. Hope this video was informative. If this video was informative and you liked it, kindly hit the like icon, share the video and subscribe to our channel if you have not yet subscribed. Thank you for watching everyone. Have a good time.